This is a very emotional topic. If you notice your parents moving a little slower, complaining of back stiffness, or worrying about losing balance, you're not alone. As our parents age, their spine, the core structure that supports everything from movement to posture, naturally becomes more fragile. The good news is that with the right care, most of these age-related spine issues can be prevented or at least minimized before they become serious. Hi, I'm Dr. Arvind G. Kulkarni, spine surgeon and director of Mumbai Spine Scoliosis and Disc Replacement Center. In this video, I want to talk to you about something every family should know: how to take care of your parents' spine. We'll go over the most common causes of pain, weakness, and falls, and discuss simple practical steps you can take at home to help them stay active, independent, and pain-free. With age, the spine undergoes natural changes. Bones lose density, the discs lose water content, and the muscles around the back start to weaken. These changes don't always cause problem right away, but they reduce the spine's ability to absorb stress and maintain balance. In women after menopause, the risk of osteoporosis increases dramatically, making the vertebrae brittle. In men, muscle loss known as sarcopenia often sets in quietly, making even simple tasks like bending or getting up more difficult. This combination of bone fragility and muscle weakness is a perfect setup for falls, fractures, and long-term pain unless we act early. Falls are the number one cause for spinal fractures in older patients, but most falls are preventable. Start with home environment. Remove loose rugs. Ensure adequate lighting in hallways and install sturdy handrails in bathrooms and stairs. Encourage your parents to wear non-slip footwear and keep their walkways clutter-free. Another key factor is balance training. Gentle exercises like walking, yoga, tai chi help improve stability and confidence. If balance is already compromised, physiotherapy can make a huge difference in rebuilding coordination and muscle control. Think of the spine as a tall building. Strong bones are the structure and the muscles are the support beams that keep it upright. Both need care. Encourage your parents to eat a diet which is rich in calcium, vitamin D, proteins. Natural sunlight exposure is very important for bone health, but supplements may be necessary in older patients. Simple daily exercises, even 15 minutes of walking, light resistance training, chair-based movements can help maintain muscle tone and balance. Hydration and regular movement are equally important. Sitting for long hours weakens the back muscles and stiffens the spine. So gentle mobility throughout the day helps in keeping the joints lubricated and pain-free. Back pain in elderly patients is often dismissed as normal aging, but that's not always true. Persistent or severe pain can signal compression fractures, spinal arthritis, spinal infections, nerve compression, etc. Encourage your parents to speak up about their discomfort. Early diagnosis with a simple X-ray or bone density can reveal conditions like osteoporosis, minor hairline fractures. For mild aches, hot compress, ice packs, supportive chairs, and posture correction often provide good relief. For more significant pain, professional evaluation ensures the right treatment, whether that's medication, physiotherapy, or minimally invasive procedures designed specifically for fragile spines. Chronic pain doesn't just affect the body, it affects confidence, mood, and independence. Many elderly individuals stop going out or socializing because they fear falling or worsening pain. As family members, reassurance and encouragement go a very long way. Simple things like walking together, adjusting furniture for comfort, or reminding them to maintain posture can prevent isolation and help them stay active both physically as well as mentally. If your parent complains of sudden back pain after a minor fall, or you notice a change in their posture like developing a hunch or losing height, don't ignore it. These are classical signs of a spinal compression fracture. The earlier it's identified, the easier it is to treat with minimally invasive procedures, medications that help in stabilizing the bone and preventing further future fractures. Ignoring these symptoms can lead to progressive deformity, loss of mobility, and even paralysis, something that early intervention can easily avoid. Our parents spent years protecting us from harm. Now, it's our turn to protect them, especially their spine, the foundation of their movement and independence. With a few simple lifestyle changes, awareness, regular checkups can make a world of difference in their comfort and confidence. If you found this video helpful, share it with your family and friends, because every parent deserves to move confidently, freely, without any pain or fear.